Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm sharing a powerful 2-minute pocket option trading strategy using two indicators, the MACD indicator and the Vortex indicator. Many of you requested a strategy featuring the MACD indicator, so here it is. Stick around till the end because I'll explain the settings for both indicators in detail. Skipping parts might lead to confusion, so watch carefully to get the full picture. Let's get started. Risk warning. Trading binary options carries a high level of risk, and you could lose money. Past results do not guarantee future success. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Do your research before making any trading decisions. Trading rules for this strategy. Buy trade signal. When the blue line of the MACD indicator crosses the red line and moves upwards, and this crossover is below the zero line. Additionally, if the blue line of the Vortex indicator also crosses the red line and moves upwards, then it is a good buy trade signal. Sell trade signal. When the red line of the MACD indicator crosses the blue line and moves upwards, and this crossover is above the zero line. Additionally, if the red line of the Vortex indicator also crosses the blue line and moves upwards, then it is a good sell trade signal. Use a 30-second candle time frame and a 2-minute expiry time. Avoid trading during news releases to reduce unpredictable market volatility. Focus on trading during the active European and New York sessions for better opportunities. Now, let's see this strategy in action with live examples. Watch carefully so you understand how to apply it step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future strategies. All right, traders, let's get started. As you can see here, the blue line of the MACD indicator has crossed above the red line below the zero line. At the same time, the blue line of the Vortex indicator has also crossed above the red line. According to our strategy, this is a strong buy signal. But hold on, don't enter the trade too quickly. Instead, wait for 1 or 2 bullish candles to confirm the momentum before placing a buy trade. This helps us avoid false signals and trade with the trend. Now, watch closely. After the crossover, we first got a bearish candle. This means the price is still adjusting. But right after that, we got a strong bullish candle, confirming the buying momentum. Now is the right time to take a buy trade. Let's see how this trade plays out. Stay tuned and watch till the end to find out. Also, if you want more details on this strategy, check out the video description below. I've added full strategy breakdown, both indicator settings, and helpful trading tips. Before trying this strategy on a real account, make sure to practice it on a demo account. This will help you gain confidence and understand the setup better. Only switch to a real account once you feel fully prepared and comfortable with the strategy. We won this trade. This shows how powerful and accurate this strategy can be when applied correctly. But remember, patience is key. Always wait for the right confirmations before entering a trade. Now let's move forward and find another perfect trade setup using our strategy. All right, traders. According to our strategy, we have found a strong sell trade setup. Here's why. The red line of the MACD indicator has crossed above the blue line, and this crossover happened above the zero line. The red line of the Vortex indicator has also crossed above the blue line. The overall trend is strongly bearish, which supports our sell trade. This is a strong signal to take a sell trade. But before placing the trade, let's discuss something very important. Even though this setup follows our strategy perfectly, it's important to remember, trading is unpredictable. There is no guarantee that every trade will be a winner. Market conditions change, so results may vary. Risk management is key. Always trade with an amount you're comfortable with. This strategy helps us identify high probability setups, but winning every single trade is impossible. That's why sticking to the rules and managing risk is crucial in binary trading. We won this trade. This proves once again that following the right strategy with patience can lead to successful trades. But remember, trading isn't about winning every trade. It's about sticking to the plan and managing risk wisely. Now, let's move on and find the next perfect trade setup according to our strategy. All right, traders. In this trade, I entered immediately after the crossover, but I wasn't as confident as I was in the first 2 trades. Let's analyze why. The blue line of the MACD crossed above the red line below the zero line, signaling a buy trade. The blue line of the Vortex also crossed above the red line, confirming the buy setup. However, there was a mistake. I entered the trade too quickly, without waiting for confirmation candles. There was no strong bullish momentum in the market at the time. The trade setup was not as strong as the previous two trades. Always wait for one or two bullish candles to confirm momentum before entering a buy trade. Entering too soon can result in false signals and unnecessary losses. This is why patience and discipline are so important in trading. As we expected, this trade resulted in a loss. But losing is part of trading, and what matters most is learning from mistakes so we don't repeat them. Instead of chasing every signal, we need to wait for strong confirmations and stick to the strategy. Now, let's move on and find the next perfect trade setup according to our strategy. All right, traders. Here, I took a sell trade immediately after the crossover because the red line of the MACD indicator crossed above the blue line above the zero line, a sell signal. The red line of the Vortex indicator also crossed above the blue line, confirming the bearish setup. But this trade setup was different from the previous ones. Unlike the previous trade setups, the market was moving sideways, meaning price was not forming clear trends. However, there was one key observation. Every candle was facing rejection from above, indicating that buyers were struggling to push the price higher. This was a sign that after the sideways movement, the market was more likely to break downward instead of upward. So what did I do? I waited for a strong bearish candle to confirm the downward momentum. As soon as it appeared, I placed a sell trade. This is a key lesson. Don't rely 100% on the strategy alone. Use your trading experience and market knowledge to make better decisions. This was a successful trade because we used the MACD and Vortex crossover as the primary signal, analyzed market conditions before entering, waited for confirmation with a strong bearish candle. Now, let's go over the exact indicator settings again so you can set them up correctly. MACD indicator settings: fast period 10, slow period 22, signal period 10. Vortex indicator settings: mainline period 8. These settings help us filter out weak signals and improve the accuracy of our trades. That's it for today, traders. Before you start trading with real money, practice this strategy on a demo account first. Learn to identify market conditions, whether it's trending or sideways. Follow the strategy, but also use your trading knowledge to make smart decisions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies. Like this video to support the content. Share this with your fellow traders so they can learn too. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll keep creating more content to help you succeed in trading. Good luck on your trading journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and happy trading.